I want to demonstrate how effective this air cleaner is. This air cleaner is 98% at removing all particles in the air 0.3 microns and above. So this air cleaner removes sub-micron particles, a significant amount of them. This is what we call a smoke demo box. This has one of our air cleaners in it. It has a little fan. There's two switches on this. One switch turns the fan on. You can hear it running. The other switch turns the air cleaner on. Now, what we're going to do is use tobacco smoke to demonstrate how effective the air cleaner is. Now, tobacco smoke is extremely small, guys. It is like 0.001 microns in size. Here, you ever see somebody running down 95 smoking in the car, and that's what their car looks like right there, right? Well, we can bypass that because they're on their way to a pub, and when they walk in that pub, that's what the pub looks like, isn't it? When I was a younger guy, I used to go to the American Legion in Charleston, South Carolina, and that's what the American Legion looked like. And if anybody's ever been to a Miami bingo hall, that's about what that looks like. Okay, now, when I engage the air cleaner and turn the air cleaner on, we have now polarized all the fibers inside that pad. You are witnessing polarization and electrostatic attraction. And if it's removing small particles like smoke, imagine what it's doing to the other things. So to illustrate some more and show you where all those particles went, let's take a look at this pad. Look at the discoloration of the actual pad compared to a new one. And you can see where all that smoke got trapped. Can you see that? Both sides. These pads get replaced 3-5 times a year, depending on the lifestyle of that homeowner. And every time you put a brand new pad inside this air cleaner, it's like having a brand new air cleaner all over again.